What's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one ML350 2013 model. So today I will show you how to remove this EIS system. Before I have one video which is old model ML. This is new model. So today I will show you how to remove this EIS, electronics ignition switch. I have a request for my every viewer, please subscribe my channel if my video helpful for you. Okay, thank you. Okay, so first unit off car. Okay, then remove this one, this switch like this. You can see, but then you need to remove this cover is, so screwdriver put inside and like this is removed very easily. Okay, see, it's locked inside like this. You can see, it's very easy, no need to remove anything. Then put two wire, remove those two wire, on blue, on green. See, I remove very easily. Okay, thank you. If my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel. Okay.